Anak ni Rufa Gutierrez na si Lorene Bectas. Mas gugustuhin na raw na magmukhang Pinocchio for the rest of her life kaysa magbayad ng limpak-limpak na salapi sa pagpapaayos ng ilong. Sa kanyang recent social media live, ibinahagi ng anak ni Rufa Gutierrez ang ilan sa kanyang beauty concern habang nagme-makeup tutorial. Aniya, I started calling plastic surgery offices in LA. Just curious. Oh, what would be that cost? Please guess how much these people are quoting me. $70,000. Isn't that like 3 million pesos? Excuse me. I would rather look like Pinocchio for the rest of my life than pay that money. Napakomento naman dito ang mga netizens at sinabing, hala, super pretty mo na. Huwag mo na sirain. Super pretty ng mga natural and unique. Dagdag pa ng isang netizen, mabuti pa to kahit afford niya naman yan, hindi siya willing gumastos ng sobrang mahal.